Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the downloaded file type. Most extensions arrive as CRX or a zipped folder. Next, open your browser and navigate to the extensions page, then enable developer mode so you can install manually. Once done, drag the CRX file into the extensions list or extract the zip to a folder for load unpacked. You do this now because developer mode lets you bypass the web store for testing or trusted local installs, and it prevents permission surprises later. You will now install and verify permissions carefully. If you have a CRX, drag it onto the extensions page and confirm the dialog. If you extracted a folder, click Load Unpacked and select that folder. Make sure to read requested permissions. YouTube access or content scripts should match the extension's purpose. Once installed, pin the extension to your toolbar for easy toggling on YouTube. If behavior feels off, disable and re-enable it to refresh background scripts and connections. You finish by restarting the browser so background scripts initialize cleanly. This often resolves permission or injection timing issues. Then, open a YouTube page and test the extension's features, checking its settings panel for site-specific toggles. If something fails, disable other extensions to rule out conflicts, then open the browser console to look for errors. This helps you identify missing files or blocked resources. Finally, repack or re-download the extension if console errors point to corrupted assets. This usually fixes persistent load problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.